Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wambo and Gitatui, and today I am here with a new tutorial for you guys. And I've already done my eyebrows and prepped my eyelids, and so we're jumping right into applying the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the deep green eyeshadow and I'm gonna be packing it all over my eyelid. I think I've told you guys before, I learned a new tactic. When I prep my lid using the concealer, I don't apply powder, like I don't set it, because I learned that when you don't set, the eyeshadow pops more compared to when you set your lid. Guys, my voice is a bit crusty because I have a cold. I hope I'm not gonna be sneezing anytime soon, but anyway, yeah. So after packing the eyeshadow, I'm gonna take a big brush and that eyeshadow, it's red, and I'm gonna use it to blend out the green, and yeah, to create a smooth, beautiful gradient on my eyelid. Personally, I prefer using a big brush for that purpose. Yeah, that's why I'm using a super huge brush for that. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other lid. Yep. Why was I frowning? Anyway, I don't know, but I had a super serious face, like I was so consumed with what I was doing, so no wonder. Anyway, so we're gonna take that flat brush and a concealer, and I realized there are some parts of my eyes that were not really blended well, so that's what I was doing right there. And so I'm going to take that flat brush and a concealer, the same Elegant Pro concealer in this shade Fawn, and I'm going to be using it to cut my crease. Using this big brush, for me it's much easier. Plus, when you're applying the eyeshadow, you're kind of cutting it more. The cut part becomes more precise. When you're doing the cut crease with the concealer, at first you might see like, oh, it's not really nice, but when you apply the eyeshadow, it becomes more precise and the lines are more sharp, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah. So I think I was looking for another brush. I don't know what I was doing, but yeah. Girl, you're doing some weird faces today. What's wrong? Anyway, so I'm gonna take another flat brush and that broken eyeshadow palette that I've been having ever since 2017, and we're now in 2019. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm gonna take that green and blue shade and I'm gonna be packing them on my eyelid where I cut the crease. First, I'm going to take the green shade and I'm going to apply at the center of my lid. That's what I'm doing right there. And as I told you guys, you see, I'm like kind of cutting it more and more, and it's becoming more precise. You're going to see the end result and you're going to see that. Yeah, when you apply the eyeshadow, the cut crease looks much better. Then I'm going to take a white eyeshadow. I didn't show you the palette, guys, but it's a palette that I've been using so many times, so I'm so sure you know it. So that's what I was using, and I was applying it at the inner corners of my eyes and trying to blend it with the green shade so I don't have like the harsh lines, to create a beautiful gradient. And yes, that's what I was doing right there. This white is not like really white, it's sheer and like it's not a beautiful white, but we can make it work. I went back with the green and then some more, and there I was dancing. I don't know what I was dancing to, but yeah. Then I'm going to take that blue shade and I'm going to apply it at the outer corner of my lid, and it wasn't showing that much. Actually, I felt like I didn't even need it, but let's do it. I went back with the green again and added some more because I wanted the green to be like the major color of this eye look, and yeah. I went back with the green eyeshadow, the matte one that I had applied before. I did the rest of my face off camera, my foundation, the contour, the baking, yeah, and the setting spray. Now I'm gonna do my lips, my lips. First, I'm gonna be using that lip liner that I bought a few days ago, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lip lines. Yes, it's by Forever 52 Daily Life, Forever 52. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take that lipstick. I don't remember the brand of that lipstick, but yeah, it's hot pink, and I'm gonna be applying it on all over my lips. This lipstick is not matte, it's creamy, like very creamy. And yeah, then I'm gonna admire myself. Then I'm gonna take my lip gloss by Daily Life Forever 52, and yeah, I couldn't see the number, but yeah, so I applied it all over my lips because I wanted to tone down the pink shade because I felt like it was too much. So I applied the nude lipstick, oh my god, what am I saying, the nude lip gloss to tone down the pink shade on my lips because I didn't want it to be like so much. Though I'm feeling myself. I don't know why I feel myself this much, but I do. Take my Usha's highlighter and a fan brush, and I'm gonna apply it at the high points of my face. That's my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the upper lip, and yeah, all those places. I love highlighters. Like, I always overdo my highlighter. If you like this, please don't forget to like. You can subscribe to this channel, and you can share this video with your friends, and also leave a comment down below on maybe what you would like me to do for you guys. I am not mad with this makeup tutorial. I love it. I had zero idea what I was going to do. I just woke up and I was like, let me do this video, let me do makeup tutorial, and yeah, I came up with this good look. I don't hate it, like I love it. The lips is pinkish, nudish, pinkish there in the middle. Yeah, I love it, but it's more on the pink side. I've been hunting for glosses. Where is it? Where are you? Like, I've been looking for a nice lip gloss, and I finally found one. This is one by Daily Life Forever 52. I got it, and it's really bomb. Like, it's super nude, so I prefer to use it with lipstick. I can't use it without any lipstick because my skin tone can't go with this. No, we can't. So I use it after applying a lipstick maybe, or a lip liner, then I can do this lip gloss. So guys, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to check my previous videos that I've done. You can share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I love you guys so much, and if you're a fan of this content, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and bye. I don't feel like ending this video, but I have to. Yes, I have to. Bye. Love you guys so much. Peace.